madness is this? What in God's name is this?
Ale, like this, Nyans. Calm down. This no be time for English. You see your picture and your poster at home. I don't bury you alive. As far as I dare, Muna not get Papa again. Since you don't want to do the right thing, me, I go come here. I go take what belongs to me. Now your burial will they celebrate so. I take my time. I do poster. I too good. They see the poster.
No.
Go shoot gun. Pale, your burial don't happen whether you like am or not. Tunde not don't post you. Insta blog don't carry your death news. Me, Muna, I will come back for you. They carry gun for me. Me, Muna, where they go? And they come back. You hear me? I said they come back. And they come back for you. Me will be Muna. I go come back for you. Wait for me.
Hey! I just said I campaign they can't do for my big oga. I don't know say na burial. If they alive, they want to do burial for you. I can't dance. Hey. Yeah. How can she ridicule my father like that? Huh? Don't you know who she's messing with? Father, give me the go-ahead. Give me your support. This is my fight for you. Let me go look for her. Let me search for her. I will track her down and I will deal with her my own way.
Don't worry, my son. I don't want to drag you into this. Nothing is too much for me to handle. Leave it to me.
How can she be dancing around the whole place with my father's picture like he's dead? Like she's burying you alive. Who does that?
Oscar, anger allows for satisfaction. Wisdom gets result. You want to punish noise? I want to change the story.
Father, change what story? Father, she humiliated you in public. Anybody would have taken pictures. I'm sorry for raising my voice, but at this point, Father, anybody would have taken picture, video, or anything. And of course, you know what that would have cost us, Father.
My son, you cannot walk into the storm. You have to be ready for what comes after. Muna is stubborn, but she's not too much for me to handle. Relax.
Okay, Father. So you handle it?
Yes, I'll handle it myself. Because I want your hands free for the future. A son consumed in one fight loses the war. Calm.
Fine. You take care of it. But I don't want to see her with your picture again, else.
I know you will not do anything without telling me first.
Wetin happen? Which one be don't sup? Wetin sup?
I said, you don't sup. You don't sup, Male.
Dey why my kuntus? You no go. Which one be don't? You dey carry shoulder go once. Talk wetin happen na.
I swear, this guy thing never happen to me. It never happen. Now why you think they pay me? It never happen.
Wetin happen?
Male, you know that place where they do the coordinate stuff, eh? The boss tier. They can become boss tier. And this guy thing never happened to me. It never happened.
Wait, oh. Now the same corner where you did, na John Bosco did.
Yes, Male. Yes.
Hey, John Bosco go die open your show. Wait, now the same side you and John Bosco. So this guy means say waiting he talk, say go pipe me, give Ekelebe, he carry him out, abi?
So now I talk.
I said they did my own before. Wahala not dey. I say no wahala, no worry yourself. Just calm down.
Wahala. As long as you tell me say no worry.
Follow me. Move. Just what you are telling me. Now you open your mouth, banga. You be water.
Calm down.
Who shall calm down?
I know they fear this para where they para for you.
You know they fear me.
I know what see your pikin they do for this community. As me say nobody fit dey talk to una, so me I go tell you.
You small.
I know small Male.
You small.
Plus your pikin, I not fit do me anything.
You come
dey
and
hear me?
challenge me.
Yes, I go come challenge you. Now they tell you so.
Leave my matter.
I no go lose your matter, Mile. Wetin I do for this community too much.
Taku.
Your pikin dey run for this community, no dey turn this community upside down. You dey hear me? I know they carry your matter for head. Now your pikin spoil am. Na spoil am.
Community wey don spoil.
The drug where your pikin dey sell, I condemn this community as you see am. So I know they carry your matter for head. You dey hear me?
So what I tell you? You no be person. You no be person. No carry rumor for my name again. On the community no spoil.
You never spoil am. Your pikin spoil am. Now na spoil am.
Na story wey dey. Na the story wey dey. What nonsense? Wetin dey happen? Since you say now.
No dey look me like that. No dey look me.
Wait, calm down. I don't know what dey happen.
Sure?
But make una take am easy.
So what you want this pikin?
Take my matter. Put for head. He dey ask my matter. Dey ask my matter. But my life no concern you.
You concern me,
My pikin.
This community
My
concern
pikin,
me.
leave me now deal with this.
This community concern me. Yeah, be careful.
Go. Where you be?
Beware, don't tell you. Beware of false husband.
Maybe they come meet me. If I not look good, they go come meet me. And then go. See like see nyash. He can look at husband. Where this small girl? Now me even when me make mistake. Wait, I come bring myself down. But this is like my pikin. Don't worry, man. Deal with her.
You see your nyash, wait till
Now your papa now dry my nyash. My nyash still big pass this Sarah nyash. My nyash big pass. No let me enter you. No let me enter you. Now the verse. At the verse. You useless girl. So much I tell him. Radio. When no get wire. Useless girl.
Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get. For this cabal, that me the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day, oh trouble day. You see for this anger. Now we be the...
Okay. Open the gate. Go ahead to the office.
Oga, I be wan come tell you since morning, but the main parlour door e lock. As I wan comot for morning go buy tea, I go take load for in the morning. The gate no gree open. I no gree open.
Meaning what?
I no know.
What kind of statement is this? What kind of report is this? That my gate cannot open? And who is that mad woman by my place?
You serve the Epa. You serve the mad.
Will you go and throw away that lunatic by my fence?
Your block us there. Akpamugi there. Ashin on Akpamugi. They whine me. Today you know they go anywhere. Today I sit at home. You there inside, I there outside. See the key here. You there with me. Open gate, Nama. See.
I am not playing with you. Open this gate, else I'll get you arrested.
You don't see me, Tom and Jerry now. Who they follow you laugh? I be like who they follow you laugh? They whine yourself. Since you don't want to do what you supposed to, you go they collect what to pull yourself. Begin one say, Mama no go sleep. Himself no go sleep. You go sleep inside this house today. Me, I go there here, they wait for you. You see this key? Now small thing remain, I go swallow am.
How dare you, lunatic? Open the gate!
Lunatic, no open the gate. I want to swallow the key. When Jonathan swallow fish, I mean a fish for the gate.
Oga, I need your permission. You don't the permission. Make I make this gate. If they call me, say Abi, see me, yo.
I say you be one night stand product.
I will let you.
Look at this. Now come now. You dey see my leg? Come. Make I blow wetin no good comot for your head.
Oga, just give me permission. I go mend down.
Father, what's going on here?
Is it not that unscrupulous lunatic by my fence? Locked us from outside. Can you imagine?
Father, you're becoming too soft with this girl. It's our time you taught her a lesson. She's getting out of hands.
Smiguna, Lord of the Rings. They too lenient with me.
Oga, just tell me say Nancy. Go ahead. Oga, I go lay her down.
Who they get? Na me they say.
I go lay you here now.
Who be this one?
Oga, make her please die.
Hey, God. You see this key? Now today, all of them go there today. It's over.
Hey, and the best tell me. Natty, what they know. Natty, what they up here. Now this one. Now this one. I go lay you very soon. Oga, tell me say Natty. Slow. I go walk am. That day if you be bad girl. Because when even Oga dey real care, na me go come fight for. I know, you go collect it.
Father, what do we call this? House arrest? No, now, Father, you're becoming too lenient with this girl. Teach this girl a lesson, Father. Okay, maybe I'll call the DPO myself.
No, leave it.
Father, leave it? Why? That we're being locked up in our own house. I am being locked up in my own father's house. Chief Johnson is being locked up by one lunatic. Father, you asked me to leave. Okay.
Cancel all the meetings for today.
Father, how could you say that? We have important, very important business meeting with our partners, and you're asking me to cancel the meeting because of this lunatic, this riffraffs.
I said cancel them.
All right, Father.
Chief, everything don't go down now. She don't go. But the gate still lock. Nobody fit go outside or come inside this compound. What kind of problem with this?
Hello, Emeka.
Hello, Chief. Good morning, sir.
I need you in my house now. I mean, immediately. My gate is padlocked from the outside. And I want you to come with your biggest cutter and break it open.
Okay, Chief.
I mean, come right away. Come immediately.
Okay, Chief. I'm on my way. I'll be in your house now.
When Emeka arrives here, give him all the necessary assistance he needs.
Chief, sir. Get one to your wife I like to suggest. I know say you are my big oga, na big elephant. So don't be like insult. So you and this small girl they do something, they shout. I know say you know what call police for her because of your level. But Chief, if you go fit, permit me. I know some small bad boys for this area. Will be say if I just tell them say see this person now, they're gonna pick up for me, come out and forward. Anywhere where she feel to enter, even if say na inside hole, so far say na for this country, they could just bring them out, deal with them. That will go down. Okay, even if say you want me to eliminate them, just buy them. Just open ground like this, buy. Use the hand, open ground, cash over. Don't cover them. Nobody go. No say I go down. Go down myself.
Wait, Nat, are you telling me that you know some bad boys who can handle this situation so that I can have peace?
Hey! Me, nothing the bobo, Chief. Now, so what you make it be like say men do amnesty? They could just do if I boom. I'm a bobo then. Just do them. Nobody gonna know.
And you're still here, putting on this uniform, working for Chief Johnson. And you're here advising me to kill my daughter. Will you get out of my presence? Get out!
I'm just giving you an honest advice. You distress me.
I said get out! You lunatic. Can you imagine what impetus? You're here advising me on how to kill my daughter, my precious jewelry. Chief Johnson, how did you even manage to employ a criminal under your watch? I think I have to scrutinize that young man. I have to investigate his life for him to go to this extent, to advise me to kill my daughter. The reason I'm leaving. We'll see.
You?
Your mama.
What are you doing in my office?
You ask owner of office. Waiting they do for your own office. No, my office. Now you ask me, say waiting I do here. You don't want me. Who you ask? Eh? I put leg on top of my table. Okay, because I leave you. No, this seat where you sit down. You don't know that my seat is. Eh?
Why you sitting?
You don't want. You know me. See. You see your ear, I go bite her. They ask me why I put my leg on top my
My friend, will you get out of my office before the security throw you out?
Okay. You like say you not suck breast complete. Oh. You not get sense. Your security dey gate, now let me waka come here. You not ask yourself where your security dey. Guy, I don't mean them. They dey downstairs, they sleep. Why they don't follow me come here? Yeah? See, make I tell you. I'm not go come out. I make I just tell you the only reason when they say make me leave you for that chair where you sit down now because you know say nah, not no book. So make I just dey one side for I gather myself. I gather small knowledge. By the time when I come back, you see you and your monkey jacket. Now as soon as I go dey stay. That chair where you sit down so, you not try am again. You come office, only you wear yellow, you wear blue, you wear gege. Not try am again, you not wear black coat, come sit down for this chair until I come. I come this office, you dey carry fire. they carry 5 for you. Try am again, make I see you.
Yeah. One time, 2 times. Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day. This anger, that will be the area.
Father,
Yes, Oscar.
Mona just left my office. You can't imagine the drama. Mona sat on the table. Father, this girl has crossed this line. She's saying this is her office. She's just allowing me to sit there for a while. I don't understand it.
Oscar, calm down.
Father, this girl has bitten more than she can chew. She has crossed the line.
I've heard you. Leave it to me. Don't lift a finger until I say so.
Okay, Father. But this girl won't stop if we don't stop her.
We will handle her my way.
Okay, Father.
This girl will not kill me.
Go. Now who be that idiot where they snitch on us for this area? We go quick kill me for us now. Hey.
I don't know you. But make I tell you something. If I ever catch that person, I bury her straight.
Well, wait.
That person the mouth.
Hi. The person go call police, make go arrest ghost. Where did they see ghost to catch now? I just the run may not be like say I know they respect police uniform. Normally I suppose to piano for that place.
You know?
Exactly. Anyways, make we leave that one. That one a story for another day. Right now, I get one matter, one better parole. But Akwe, you bend for this one. No, you no go follow us go. Now girls walk with this.
Oh, may they clear out for mama.
Yes. Easy.
Waiting so bad.
I don't know why they say if you get soft work. I'm not going to carry her. No, only where they look.
Not the papa that they born you.
Me, I be soft guy.
They papa, your papa and your mama they muke. On top the muke they born you, they still they papa.
Over and out.
There we dey go.
May they clear out for mama.
You know?
Mama.
I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face. Anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day. You see for this anger, that would be the area.
What on earth? Who will block the road like this?
Your mama blocked the road. I said that your papa now blocked the road. Me before. Eh?
Don't do those things and let me go somewhere. I'm rushing for a meeting.
Bro said they go meeting. I'm gonna hear your meeting and now me and you get meeting. Since you don't want to do what I say make you do, now me and you get meeting. No get meeting with people. Now hear your meeting end. Open which road? Then why me?
You know what? I feel so ashamed every time I remember how your mother raised you.
Guy. Bros, I don't want you for your full life. You don't hear me? For your full life, not try am again. For your generation, not call my mama name again. Now you raise me. Who born you? You don't call my mama name, you don't whine. Not try am again, call my mama name.
Calm down.
No, calm down. Bros, I go run enter you. I should have seen me like this, I go run. You don't grace. You don't call my mama.
Take those things off the road, let me go.
Pale, chill. Why? The road all closed. You don't understand? Road all closed.
You want go meeting, bros, meeting all closed. Like here meeting road. You want to get you go.
Pale, road all closed today.
No,
You don't go anywhere.
I see you.
Road all closed.
I see you at all.
One time, two time. Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them.
Hello? DPO. I want you to tame someone for me. This is a special case. So I need to see you personally. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. What kind of a life is this? Why is this girl tormenting me? Huh? Is it a crime that I brought someone like Mona into this life? And I've been trying to show her love. All she has been doing is torment me. She went to the extent of having my burial while I'm still alive. Who does that? What kind of a girl is this? What am I supposed to do next? I'm not going to kill my own daughter, my own blood. No way. There must be a way out anyway.
Mother, let me ask you, on whose side are you? This is not a point where you would want me to calm down because I will not listen to you. Mother, what's the plan? That's my problem. Mother, you need to see the effect this girl has on father. This girl is a thorn on father's flesh. Believe me, father loses deep focus each time this girl calls or at the sight of the girl. Mother, I'm beginning to feel that father is becoming a weakling. This is not the father I know. I'm sorry, Mom, but Oh, Mom. I heard you, Mom. I love you, Mom.
say na small thing remain. If no be say I go confession yesterday, I swear I for kill that man. No, that man got that mind, he got that moral, they call my mama name. My mama, when he suffer, when he treats anyhow, now they say my mama not train me. They train her where? Now I leave my mama go marry another person. Eh? Who born monkey?
Bunny, just chillax.
Chillax. Me chillax.
Too bad.
Bunny, you go try relax. You go try me. You get? Yeah, na chief they talk about the hell. That might get cornell. Go just the chillax small. You feel angry small, you go no up and on like that. You know.
See what you see as you just they insult yourself. See what you they talk. Anyway, now you are the blame now. Why you no carry me go this movement? You know what's up now. You know I see the be now. Me, I know they feel control my hot temper. If say I follow that go that play by now and I smoke, people go to see for up. I for don't set chief and in car blaze immediately now. Who him be? But over. You know, I won't ask you what thing they saw between chief and Male. Will make you the change and for in fact no reason. As today now, anywhere where you stand, I stand by you Gidibam. If blood won't flow, one hand.
And you man warn you now the last time I go warn you, know they advise me, not tell me make I calm down again. If they find out you go advise, go meet your mama, tell her me no they lash on a landlord again. You they mad. They tell me ma calm down.
They talk of violence. You don't like violence.
I see they talk. You see that you they find go run enter you.
No.
Never advise your mama finish. They can't advise me. Make I calm down.
I go advise her if I reach out. But the way they talk peace, no they.
If na me they tell this thing now, I no go talk again. Your mama and landlord waiting the song.
You brush this morning.
Over.
Hey, buddy. No, I'm speechless. So. That girl is something else. Sincerely. When you talk about somebody who is from the street, I still can't imagine how she got on that fence. Yes, the high fence, how she got there. Now, to even blow my bubbles, guess what? I still can't figure out how she barged into my office unannounced, sat on my desk, spread her legs open carelessly, not coordinated at all. Bro, it's something I can't just imagine.
You're joking, right?
How can I be joking with the things like that? To make matter worse, buddy, I don't even know why, or I can't understand why my father is not taking actions.
My friend, there is more to this, and I will suggest you talk or discuss this with your father.
Buddy, you should know my father by now. You should know him. You should know him. If he's not going to spill, he's not going to spill.
He should talk or put an end to all of this.
Bro, it's difficult. It's difficult. But I'll try. Where are you?
I am at home.
Okay. It's a weekend. How about we do extracurricular activity? It's okay. I'll see you later. Bye. Muna.
Muna! Oh, now here you there, Abi? Muna! You know they hear your name, Abi? You know they hear your name! What did I tell you? I said make you free this man! I don't say make free him!
Male! Nothing will make me free that man. Make her free out waiting now. I be nursing Mandela where they free people. Malaysia, I go hold that man for throat. I go hold your sofa goes only long. I go hold her for blockouts. Hey! Hold her for waiting. Another free and my pale be.
So you want tell me say network we don't cut 5 many years ago? You want connect and back?
As you dey see me, Male, na me be MTN, I be Glow, I be Airtel, I be Zen, I be everything. I go connect her whether I like am or not.
I say free this man. Now okay, look am now. You go there get problem with your pillar. It makes sense to you.
Male, I beg you.
You never can come out.
No.
You go today you go kill me. I said free am. Free am. You go free am. What you do this one? You want kill me attention? You want kill me? You want kill me now? Just I try finish. Muna the gangster.
don't understand how they come they package this go these days. Yeah.
Things don't cost now.
So
Everything's
I'm not going to
supposed
reach
to
one
cost.
tie again now.
Everything's supposed to cost. Now, so it just be normal.
When they do my customer they well though. So you say the way you take the stingy for Pekus matter, so you take the stingy to tie go.
Mama.
No, this one too small.
But una the gangster, but make the thing just small. Make it not be like say we dey overshare am. Now make I just sit down like that.
All right now, while I know the. No, the ads small, the ads
Yo,
small.
ma!
Hey.
Adi.
Who be this one?
Mama Denara.
Who be this one?
Mama.
Mama Denara.
Correct.
You too do.
Bauma.
Where you not they touch my shoe anyhow, and my full Igbo money I take buy that shoe.
God bless you.
Nothing come again.
Sorry.
You don't come collect your market, Abi?
Anyhow you
And
collect.
then bring the market for back.
Okay.
You dey whine me.
You know they feel.
What they worry you?
No bad. I just play.
Oh yeah? See your market here. Guy.
Adi, yeah.
You dey see my teeth?
Adi.
Market wey dey there na 100 pa. If I find she buy. Guy, you go lost so.
Say no.
This ghetto too small. Na your market be that man not find my money.
Use 2 and collect and use 2 and bring the money back.
Male, see, God bless you well.
You dey craze. Your mama left here and she dey say go now you dey tell me God bless her. Why you lost?
Multiple.
God bless.
God bless you.
Bring our money, oh.
Wetin happen? Good night. Wetin happen?
I never said that market na your market.
You dey so wetin go happen? You wan collect market? You this thief. Omila. Black Anini. Eriko one mama na me go carry my market. You dey. Guy, why you delete come out for
I don't also well.
You don't go for more here. You want make them friend.
You dey mad. Break your head. So this thief for this Black Anini. When you carry market, give you no see your market again. Ma give you market.
Don't come back here again, no.
My sister, the rap is go. I know like they're too small.
Yeah.
Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, oh. Anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, oh. Now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day, oh, trouble day.
Hello? Alfred, my friend. Good morning.
Chief Johnson, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Why do you ask?
Are you sure? Where are you right now?
What is the meaning of this? I said I'm fine. As a matter of fact, I am in my house and I'm having my breakfast at my dining table now.
Then explain to me why I am seeing posters of you all over the town, written in bold letters, missing person.
Missing person. That is not true. It can be me. There's a mistake somewhere.
I am standing right here, looking at it. I thought you were abducted or something. Hold on. I will snap it and send it to you now.
Yes, snap it and send it now. What is the meaning of this? Hello?
Good morning, Chief. Hope you're fine, sir.
What is all this? I am safe. Eh? Hello?
Hello, Chief. Your picture is everywhere. Is everything okay?
What is all this? I said I'm fine. Huh?
Yeah, good evening. Good. You? Yeah, I'm okay. Why are you asking?
From the sound of your voice, you look worried. What's up? Come on, don't be mad. You can talk to me. What is it?
I don't understand you. I said I'm okay.
Guy, I be your nigga. Why you hide something now? Come on, talk to me. What's up?
I said I am okay. Is there anything you should let me know?
Bro, how far your papa? How about your dad?
My dad is okay.
See, you're my friend. There's no need hiding from me. Come on, I can help you. If there's something else, can find you. What's going on?
Find who?
Guy, I just saw your poster that your father is missing. Chief Johnson, is not your father again. Guy,
That's not possible. That can't be my father.
where is your father? Where is your father?
My father is inside the house. As a matter of fact, I can hear his voice inside.
You mean he's in the house with you?
Buddy, let's catch up later. Let me attend to him, okay? Yeah. Good morning, Father. I heard you scream. Is everything alright?
How can everything be alright? When this girl has sworn that I will never know no peace, she will one day drive me crazy.
So it is true. Your poster is all over the place that you're missing.
Yes, I've been receiving phone calls from everywhere. And I know there's no one else that will do it but Muna. Yes.
I think we need to, first of all, Father, pull down the posters.
How you like your poster? You not like what you see anything where I put body, come on body. Hope say you dey feel am. No, by now, no say your phone go down dey ring, you go down dey receive call, say you dey miss. Na the thing why they find, say if I put body, not try am. This na only the beginning. You see that picture why I use? The next one where they come, you no go like am. Useless man. Try me again.
Muna, I will deal with you. I swear I will deal with you. Oh God. I will deal with you. I swear I will deal with you.
I need to call the DPO. Yeah, good day, DPO. DPO, I will need you to mobilize your boys. First of all, my father's poster is everywhere declaring that he's missing, and of course, you know that's not good for the reputation of this family. I want you to mobilize your men, go into the city, search everywhere, and whoever you find with that poster, arrest all of them. Beat them.
Give me that phone. Give me the phone. Hello, DPO. Please, do not arrest anyone. As far as the posters, I will arrange my boys to go and take care of it. Thank you very much.
Father.
One time, two times. Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look fierce, so
I think at this point enough is enough. Enough is enough. She has beaten more than she can chew. She has crossed every bit of the line. Let's not talk about the poster threat. Let's not talk about the insult. My father is one of the most influential and high-profile men. So at this point, I think I demand her immediate arrest. Let's put an end to all this drama.
Yes, DPO.
My son is right. She won't stop until she destroys me.
Well, Chief, I can understand what this whole unpleasant drama has cost you and your noble family. Most especially the act of disrespect and disregard for you. Trust me to take charge of this, Chief. I am moving in my men immediately. There won't be any escape route for her this time around. It's a promise.
That sounds really good.
DPO. Thank you. In that case, while you're doing your run around, if you need anything, I mean anything, and my father is not reachable, please. It's okay. Noted. I guess at this point in time, Chief, I need to take my leave.
All right.
Thank you.
Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, oh. Anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, oh. Now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day, oh, trouble day. You see for this anger, now we be the area. One time, clear for road. Waiting person, no, I pass am. See, I know they like long story. Make you know they sound like super story. For this anger,
Now Muna the ganja on one catch. They catch spirits. They want my kuntus. See officer boot. Be like who they suffer. When they say Mona go sell it bone, I don't go here. A police work when I go there until I die. Catch Muna.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Please, I'm actually here to see Mona.
Mona.
Yes.
My pikin. Now your house be this. Now me be mama. Now me carry for 9 months. Now me born. Wait here.
There is nothing too serious. We only needed her for just a brief interrogation.
I never seen my pikin since how many days now. Me self I dey find my pikin. Wetin happen? Tell me wetin happen.
Well, if you must know, I'm a police officer.
Police. Wetin do my pikin?
Please,
Hey! Wetin do?
calm down.
Talk
She hasn't done anything wrong. We just need her for just a brief interrogation.
Which can brief interrogation? I say me I never see my pikin. Wetin my pikin don die? Hey! My pikin wetin do am?
Are you saying Mona is nowhere around?
I say I never see my pikin. Na me born my pikin. Not just how many days I dey find my pikin. Tell me wetin Mona, my pikin.
It's alright.
He don die?
I'll take my leave.
No take your leave. Wetin be this one? Wetin Muna do? When police Ekelebe find Muna come house. Ekelebe, wow, Kolo, where my phone? Where's this phone? Wetin Muna do? My pikin still dey alive. Where I wan call Muna? Ekelebe find you come house. Wetin you don do? You dey alive? Where I wan call? Muna. You don't why my kuntus like this. But see, make I yarn you. You see, for this ghetto, my eye na 1,000, my ear na 10,000. Why you stress yourself now? You want call Ekelebe for me? You for tell me. You for not stress yourself. Me, I go pull body for Ekelebe. Ekelebe go arrest me. But right now, make I make this one clear to you. for you to go call police for me. Ah, you don't find my trouble now. No, but the night Kelebe arrest now you want. While I know the 9 a.m. tomorrow, bomb, I dey your gate. Call Kelebe, make them come there, come pick me. They whine me.
Yeah. One time, 2 time. Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day. You see for this anger, now we be the area. One time, clear for road.
Why haven't you arrested that girl? What are you waiting for? To just arrest a girl? I need that girl arrested before she destroys me and my family.
Chief, sincerely, we're actually trying our best here. That girl is nowhere close by. We've searched both in and out of the ghetto. She's nowhere to be found. She moves with the speed of light. 1 minute we get an intel, the next minute she disappears into thin air. Chief, I need you to understand one thing here. The task in our hands over tracking that girl is quite enormous. Just give me some little time, Chief. Please.
I know you can't find her. How can you find her? You are police officers. Use another strategy. Use people close to her. People who sabi the ghetto.
Well, I think you're making sense here. We will have to strategize with what you have just said. Just give me a little time. Please, Chief. I have to leave now, Chief. It's okay, Father.
So you dey try tell us now, say, if we disclose the whereabouts of Muna the Ganja Queen, you will give us 500,000 each.
Yes. We have it on good account that you guys are the most closest to Mona. And you know her moves. Where she goes to, who she stays with, time spent. You guys are very much aware. So all you have to do is this. Whenever you're with Mona, just give me a live location. And I'm okay.
Okay, DPO, this thing what you talk makes sense. So 500,000 maybe small money. Now better money, and this kind of money they sweet. Oh, the money small. You know, say if not that information you say make I give you for 500k, I could just run am freely and not go reason am. But this one na information we get betrayal. If I give you this information now, I dey betray Mona. We be saying all of us grow up for this area, and that one no follow for our OT. But I want run am. But the money no make sense. You
Name your price. Something. Name your price.
Okay. We go feel on us 1.650. At least I go use 650 pay house rent, use 1 million, change environment.
No more.
It's alright. Deal sealed.
Over. Our God, if you know very so, this money we won't give us now, transfer, you won't give us cash.
How do you want it?
I did a problem there. You know, say to do business to police, you know, they end well. If I say, may you transfer the money now, you could get access to our account. If you say, may you give us cash now, if you put that thing on, they put for money. If I go put them for bank, they go still catch me. I don't know how to take run this matter, but no problem. As you tell us, say, na gentleman understanding what me could get. No wahala. Just on cash, make we take nobody.
It's okay, we already have a deal.
Over.
You say waiting. Wait, you sure say you know what you talk? No worry, don't do. He don't do. I hear you. He don't do. No wahala, thank you. Hey, wait though. Now me these people look finish. Now me they want run streets. Muna the ganja. Now me they look finish one run streets. Hey. Muna wait for me at the come. Make una just wait for me at the come because the kind anger white they come now. So now me these people want run streets. See, but
waiting. Now which people again? Waiting they happen. Huh? Don't tell me waiting happen.
Male, you know what's in now. What's happening?
I was say go fear. This pikin no go kill Mona. This pikin no go kill you. Eh? I never know where they go now. Eh? Which can't be this? God I beg you. Mona! Hey, me I won't find her good now. Where I know saying good now. Which can't see?
More na the ganja queen.
Akpe.
More na the ganja queen.
Akpe. Now how many times I call you?
Waiting this, so I don't reach this level.
As you they see me, so I be like, who they smile? No, as I don't quietly come your house like this now because I know one shot. I don't reason the matter as I dey waka they come here because on a normal day as I enter here now, you suppose they cemetery they chill. But as I think as I dey waka they come, I say no, my guy not go feel run me streets. He not get the way you go take run me streets. So me I want jejely ask you. You collect money for Ekelebe and for my matter.
If now you need to collect money. No, tell me. If now you dey carry money come your door like this, look, I collect money now. I go like give you a decrease.
Ask me.
Ekelebe bring money. You say make I collect money. But make I tell you something. As I don't collect money, wait till remain now to deliver why I collected that money. I know the old thing I decrease. I not go feel fuck up. Me?
Akpe. I trust you because when I first get the information, I say, I felt the ginger. One time I said, why can't they come here? I call myself to order. I say, no. My guy not go feed me this kind of thing. Correct. The client say you brush teeth.
If I betray you, that means I know who killed my papa now.
I
see. Crazy.
May you go collect small thing for that thing where they give you. May you go run me small check by now. I'm they see front now.
I've been planning more. But the point be say, you know say this people, you know go fit trust them all. My mind they tell me say that man if you put something inside that money, if you carry and come on now they go still catch you. So you just leave am for some days. But if you run you something from waiting I
Correct. Hey, your toothpaste pure. Who said the toothbrush give you na 2K they give me. Arrange where you pack when
okay, I go make am train the evening.
Now me they put on to the next level. Akpe.
That for your pal. How you doing? That's cool now. I know. You go must get one complaint. If no be hunger won't buy you. Na book won't buy you. Which one? Nothing no they buy you. Anyways, how far the school something where you say you won't run? How much you do? 100,000. You sure say 100,000? No call me later the talk of money. Well, no wahala. I will send something for you this evening. Again, one small package and I do with a kilibi. So go and soft. I will send something for you. Come, where you concentrate on the book or not be you go dey school dey waka up and down, not cause they do big boy you know where you dey come from. You dey hear me? No wahala. Just chillax. Before evening you get the money. Oya now. Take care.
Come outside. So every time you not gonna let me rest, Abi? Come outside. Why you there? Chijasi. Where you there? This man, Chijasi. Chijasi. You're this man. I said when you come outside, Chijasi. You the one, Abi. You the one. I don't. You don't want my nipple. You don't want me. Come outside. Every time you not gonna let me rest. Shall not stand here. Come outside. Chijasi. Where you there?
Who else but your sister?
No, Father, don't call her my sister. Don't call that lunatic my sister. My father, who is standing in front of me, known as Chief Johnson, will never, ever have such. Babe, Father, what does she want?
You will not understand.
Here I go again, Father. You're saying I will not understand. How long will you keep me in the dark? Father, what's going on? Allow me to go break her head. Father.
Chijasi! Where you there? This man, Chijasi! Chijasi! You're this man! I said when you come outside, Chijasi! You the one, Abi! You the one! I don't... You don't want my nipple! You don't want me! Come outside! I said when you come out... Oh! Very good. Shana me you dey find. Every time you dey find Muna. See me now! Shana me stand there, na me dey here. You go call Ekelebe. You go call police. I dey here. Come outside. Come arrest me. See me here. Oh yeah, come arrest me now. Come outside. I go there. You go dey find me like rats. See me now. I'm sure you want arrest me. Call your Ekelebe. Call police. Even if na vigilante, I dey here. Come outside. Come outside. If not, I go flood this game today. I go flood this game. She just it. Come outside.
Father, this is our chance. Please call the DPO. Please call the DPO. Tell the DPO that she's making noise. Your reputation is at stake here, Father. Let's get rid of this thing.
Oscar, how many times will I keep explaining myself to you? To calm down. You will not understand.
Okay, Father, how long would you want me to be calming down for her? Father, for how long? Look at everybody's looking at you.
My press. The wine. Come outside now. Nonsense. Next time let me try it again.
Chief, listen to me. Call her. Talk to her. No matter how you look at it, this is family matter. And it's not like Muna. We give up. Before she causes more damage, call her to order. Is it no money she needs? Then give her money. Settle her for peace. for your name, for your future, for your sanity and hers too. It won't be easy because she inherited your stubbornness. But I tell you, Chief, that's the only way.
It is quite unorthodox for a lady to always climb the fence like a thief. How can a daughter of mine do that? Geraldine, you didn't do it well at all. You did not try. Of all the places to raise my daughter in this world, it is the ghetto. When she was small, maybe. Now she's fully grown, strong-willed, vibrant, and maybe too strong for me to handle.
It is only you, Chief. Only you can make things right. Only you can handle her. All these things she is doing is just to get your attention. Trust me.
Ndabaria luleo, na winewa luleo. Ndabaria lo, daddy lay up my. Don't worry, I am here with you. Namadem ki abye, Orlenda itonerzi. Msuwa kumawi. Mdo dendra nuane Mbure aloe Na wine wa okbeden o Le wine wa okbeden o Le wine wa okbeden o Ndale mi o Daddy, will aloe. Baby girl. Mona. No, don't play again. It's time for you to eat your food. And your food is already here. Don't worry, sit where I will feed you. Sit here. Where are you going to? Yes, okay. Do you like this? That's my girl. Have it. Fine, let me give you egg. Calm down. Don't use your hand. Well, let me give you water.
night a day. I don't know where Muna dey. As I dey talk to you now like this, I never see Muna since when they born me. I never see Muna. I don't know where Muna dey.
Tasha,
My name be that.
you know that I know that you are Muna's closest ally. You won't stand here to tell me you don't know the whereabouts of Muna. Listen, we can have a better society if the citizens that are domiciled in that society do not have their trust on the police. We are meant to protect life and properties, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do here. You seem not to be getting the point, right? This is a very sensitive case, a high-profile case that has to do with a noble chief and his daughter. And that was the reason why I have decided to take this upon myself. I have showed great interest in this case. I don't want my boys to come in here and mess the whole thing up for me. I want your total cooperation over this issue. Help me to help you.
Okay.
It doesn't take anything out of you to look me in the face and tell me, sir, let this be a massive secret between us. This is where Mona is. And I tell you I'm good.
Okay. No wahala. Make I give you the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Fine. So where is Mona?
Okay.
Where is
No
Akona?
wahala. I go tell you. Oga, I know where Muna dey. Now the truth be that. I never use this my 2 eyes see Muna since when they born me. You forget say Muna fair oh. She fit dey this street, you go the next street, you go see Muna. Muna dey waka. Na ghost she be. Na the truth, I don't tell you. I don't know where Muna dey.
Tasha, if I take you in right now, there ain't going to be any escape route for you. And if at the end of the day, I find out where Muna is, you won't find it funny with me. So I'm pleading with you right now. I'm appealing to you. Tell me, where is Muna? Where can I find Muna? Help me to help you. Why are you making this difficult than what it is already?
Okay. I don't talk this thing before I go talk am again because they speak plenty big English. You be like say my own, you know they understand them. I don't know whether you want to make I talk am in French. I don't tell you. I don't know where Muna dey. Muna know they dey one place. Now spirit, the girl fit dey this street. You go the other street. You go still see am. Muna know they stay one place. I don't know now. I don't know. What do you want make I do again? I don't tell you. I don't know.
Okay. Let me speak the language you and I understand better. If it's all about money, be rest assured that I'm going to top it up for you. Far more than what you've been promised. All right? And then I can guarantee your protection. So, just tell me, where can I find Muna?
I never use this my 2 eyes see Muna since they born me. I don't tell you. I never see Muna before. They ask the same thing and they tell you the same thing. I be make I speak in French. It make you for understand.
Yeah. I got the few idea. Hello.
Smart guy. Akbe, I am counting on you with this information. And I know I can always rely on you. Where is Mona?
I no go lie give you. You see that Mona? She's not a better person. More than no be better person for this area where we dey. I don't dey look for opportunity since you make I take. Like I'm for a make a carry am.
Good.
She too worried. But the problem now be say I don't know where I wanna dey. That girl and spirit. Pion. She don't go.
You don't stand here to bamboozle me with all of these your rigmarolling stories about Mona being a spirit. She's this, she's that. You and I know, and you know that I know. You are very close to Mona. let's make this thing very easy for both of us. Just tell me where Mona is and then we are good. You can do this.
Oga DPO, this thing why they tell you, if na lie, make I buy. Now the truth I they tell you. That girl, you see Mona na spirit. At times Mona go tell you say, okay, Abobi, I dey so place, make una dey come. You go reach there, you no go see Mona. On top that place where you dey, Mona go put call. I see say not only you waka come, oh yeah, you go see me now, you go appear. I don't know what person go do this girl. She's a spirit. And she too sabi something, she's too smart.
So are you indirectly telling me, or you're directly telling me that you do not know where Mona is?
Okay, DP, I won't lie give you.
Happy. If I bring my boys right here now, they are somewhere around. You know what it means? They will drill you, torture you, and then you will be forced to tell them where Mona is. But I chose to take this upon myself because I know you can always cooperate with me. Tell me where Mona is. If it's all about the money, trust me, I'll make it up to you.
Now you talk about the pure. The money aspect where you talk will make sense. If I go pay top up, you understand? Because that is the only solution for us to capture money like this now. We must put juju. Once you have money, you get one native doctor where I go consult. You get as they do the thing, we go just do something like this. Pin her that place there and we go anywhere where she says she no go feel move till we enter there and capture her. If you no put out more to get Mona. Where is Mona? Tell me where Mona is! I don't know where Mona there. You don't intimidate me. You be saying make we do this thing based on gentleman understand it.
It's alright. I'm sorry. So
Shey dem think say me I go hide for this ghetto. No, they think say me as a fool, as a gallant like this with my energy, I go hide for this ghetto. You know if you work now. I dey see I dey here. I perish for here die. Me will be Muna, queen of the ghetto, the ganja queen. Make I see how it won't happen. Muna the gangster. Muna the gangster.
Over and out.
Una gather my show face. No, nah, so I don't carry me go give Ekelebe na. I be una tisa no. No, una send my location give Ekelebe. Na so una be. Muna, you say. Why do they reason like that, nah? Why you go reason say we go just the way you give Ekelebe? Oh, no, no go throw me give Ekelebe. What will reach me be say Ekelebe don't give una phone. Una turn carry my location go give Ekelebe. Eh?
Make me tell you something. Don't be lying. But you don't forget the OT where they distribute to all of us there. Who collect money now? Why not collect money? I be Mumu. They really look me. Drop money. Make I come betray my sister. They mad. I collect money now. Me betray you for this day. If I try, make I turn him back.
Make you turn him back.
I'm telling you.
As you dey like this, now him no better pass you. No, I dey ask now.
They try to you say I no go feel run you straight. No be possible. Me.
We dey with you. We dey with you.
Now better office.
We just
like
smart them. They feel say they're wise, but
I feel call am now tell am say you there.
Hey, where you shh. Rush today, we no go hear word.
Okay. That one there.
Boss, so where the hell is the signal? I thought those people were supposed to deliver.
yes, I know. I only hope they live up to their billings.
And listen, as soon as they get here, I need you to put an eye watch over that girl. She moves with the speed of a light.
Okay, boss.
Listen carefully to this instruction. Make sure your identity is not disclosed. The same thing is applicable to every other officers.
Sure,
okay?
Boss. Sure, boss. Okay.
I don't know what is going on. I ought to have gotten the signal, the location, and nothing is happening. I only hope it's not what I'm thinking.
It shows say una dey my side. No be mouth, na action. Say Ekelebe carry money give una make una disclose my location, but una say no, una still dey with me. The two thief wey die beside Jesus Christ, they not do pass like this. Una dey want my boots. So una dey with me like this.
We dey grants. Una it dey. We dey with you till we kpai. We know they go anywhere. Anywhere you go, we enter.
This is just the beginning.
Over.
From today, now war. Correct. Better one.
You see this war, right?
You brush.
Oh.
Akme.
I do for you now.
Declare say you brush.
Papa.
Mona di ganga kwe. Ure.
Damn it! They played us.
After everything? These guys don't know what I'm capable of doing.
So what do we do, boss?
Ah!
What do we do?
It's alright, let's go.
Okay, boss.
DPO, what is going on? You told me she should be in custody by now. But that girl is still free, roaming the streets, mocking me, trying to bend me, a chief.
My apologies, Chief. We laid the trap. Everything was in order. But those two, Tacha and Agbe, they refused to send the signal. No location, nothing, Chief.
They obviously outsmarted you. Obviously. It's so disheartening that you could put your trust in these streets urchins and you expect them to deliver her to you. Father, I've told you. Let's pick everybody. Let's not be specific about this girl. Pick everybody, else they will finish us.
DPO, I don't care how you do it. That girl must not embarrass me again. Posters, roadblocks, who knows what she's going to do next? Listen, if you cannot do your job, I'll call higher up.
Chief, it hasn't really got into that. All I'm asking for is just a little time, Chief. Mona is not an ordinary girl. I told you, Chief. She moves in the speed of light. 1 minute an intel gets to us, before we get there, she's gone. I strongly believe there is an insider who give this girl information.
You're so proud of yourself saying that there's an insider giving her an information for an ordinary girl. Father, it's obvious that he's not competent. Let's get somebody else.
DPO, that girl is dragging my name to the mud. Read my lips. Mud! If your men cannot do their job, I will call people that can.
We're doing our best here. That girl knows too much. I need you to talk to your father.
What have you done?
I am doing my job. I need you to carefully listen to me. I am the divisional police officer of my commander. So you have to be very mindful of the way you talk to me. I am not some sort of street junkie. Okay?
Then why don't you get her once and for all?
Oh, you think it's easy?
It's your job. If you're proud of it, it's your job.
I am warning you. As for your father, I respect your father so much. Be very mindful of the way you talk to me.
Guy, yesterday night na close one o. If no be say we sharp, all these police they suspect us.
You don't understand wetin I dey reason like this. You see, for this area where we dey, police no dey fear me. My problem no be police. Na Mona was supposed dey fear. You know that girl has something else. So you see that girl? He can't run test on us. We can't pass. You self never reason am. If we no pass the test, waiting for happen.
I'm on a true. So what do you talk now? Na true, na legit.
Wetin be police? Like this now, it go better make I fall for Ekrebe hand than Mona. Because that can get us in way. I know they understand.
I bring the touch.
I know they understand.
I bring the touch.
But that one day, sir, you understand?
No man.
Nothing dey happen.
But we gotta be smart. We gotta be vigilant this period because,
I don't tell you, say nothing dey happen. I dey on top of the game. Who the police?
I trust you.
Come on!
Move away, man! Stand up! I see me, you just away people. They go! They do strong head. I'm not a big man. They go! Yeah, they do strong head. You think they will come?
See, I go slice your neck, oh. No time, yo.
If you no move, come kill Bololo. If you know they move, come kill Bololo. Come calm.
See me, you move. You grab body from that.
Come kill Bololo. Yeah, person. Where your papa tell yeah, that's all you say yeah. You're plenty trousers.
You want that before you show this nation? Come on.
You're plenty trousers. Man like you. There you go. Come and sit and down.
Go there.
They were blessed. I'll baptize you. You don't need the stress like this, Abi. Who you dey find?
Where are you?
Yeah, they ask you question. You did it. Who are you?
What do you want?
Good day, Chief.
DP, what is good about the day? Where is my son? Where is Oscar?
Chief, I need you to pull yourself together.
My men are stationed everywhere in the city searching for your son, Oscar. I can assure you that we will not leave any stone unturned until we find him. For now, no one has given any tangible information as to his whereabouts. We were only alerted by an unknown person that his car was parked somewhere around.
DPO, I want my son back at any cost. Read my lips, at any cost!
Chief, are you suspecting anyone?
I have too many enemies and rivals. Anyone could have done this.
It's okay then. I have sent my men already to the ghetto. Need I also remind you, Chief, that Mona, your daughter, is not going to be left out from my path of suspects.
Do whatever you can, DPO. I want my son back. Today!
All right, Chief. Of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day.
What do you want? Eh? Just tell me, what do you want? Money? Anything, just tell me, I'll give you. Just let me go. Just let me go.
Carl, it be like something they worry you for you. They kidnap you, they ask questions. Anyways, our boss doesn't want to do anything, so we'll wait for our order. So you just shut up your mouth, may you cool ass, chill ass for there.
What do you want? Eh? What do you even want from me? What do you want? Tell me!
Oh boy. You get within there your neck like this. Na knife. And a knife why I take they kill people. This knife never kill goats before. A human being they kill. You no go take me anything. I go choke this thing for your neck and you go die. But I no go do it. Because the last person why I die still they disturb me. Why I just free you. Talk nonsense again. I go tell you say since why I fail jump. I want to learn people that ask me too many questions. Do nonsense again. Bloody fool.
You don't hear. So you go calm down. I bet you not go calm down. You go calm down, I bet you not calm down.
I'll calm down.
You ask question. They kidnap you. You don't know where they cover your eye. They ask question.
Just let me go.
You be like saying I will be last born. Huh? If you talk nonsense again, I just slap your teeth, come out from this place and be mad.
Muna. How many times I call you? Eh? You know, say all this can't kere waka wake they waka these few days. I know they understand them. I know they understand your movement again, oh.
Male, wait go happen. Male, wait happen. Now the thing when you carry me sit down here. I think it's a get important place where they go. You carry me sit down. Where should I be kere? When I told her they waka be small picking.
Sure? You not be small picking.
May I ask you first, where you they go, sir? Where they put and pass me your money? Mala, they go Tasha house.
Tasha?
What do you want to go to for Tasha place? I want to go cook moi. That be my friend.
Your friend?
You know, say these few days, I know they get better feeling for all your movement. You know that one? Mala, you don't know. Normally, you're not supposed to catch feelings again. Any feelings where you catch, then a wrong connection. Mala, I don't know why you call me. I tell you, say my friends, say Tasha place, they wait for me. And we get important thing where we they do. You carry me sit down here. Maybe make her they go.
That thing where you get with your friend. Don't call important pass your mama. Abi? Wait first. I hope say no they go to stop your papa again.
Oh, wahala dey o, Male, abeg make I dey go. I go see you later.
Don't go cause problem. Come give me your mama.
Don't do.
Now me they shake your nyash. I get nyash like this when I dey like you. Now your papa dry my nyash finish. I dey shake. I dey tell her important thing. They shake nyash for me. If not be that your useless papa dry all my nyash, I can't sleep like boga fish. Not just go cause problem. Come give me for here. Which can't be all this one?
call. Pick the call. Oscar, pick the call. Pick the call. What's happening? Muna, pick the call. Pick the call, Muna. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
Our queen don't show. Muna the gangster queen.
How you doing? Oh yeah.
Over and out.
It's you, Luna. Why did you bring me here?
Oh, you think say carry you come here before your mama? Eh? No, you think say your mama carry you come here. Okay, you come for picnic.
Why did you kidnap me? You have the guts to do it.
Remove Gus. She resemble your Gus. If you want to answer a question, ask simple question. Why did you kidnap me? If you put Gus again.
Okay, take me here. Anyways, yeah, take me to shop.
Just take me out of here. I don't want to eat. I don't need this nonsense.
This one inside the beg. I see Mugu. You think I dey beg you? Bros, see, look where shop you. You dey hear me? No, Natala, na for your own good though. Because you have a long time to spend here.
They not tell you. You get like 6 years to stay here.
You get a long way to go. So if I were you, anything they give me, now what kiss. I just butter.
I don't tell me you know they ask questions. You know they hear what.
Maybe the guy no want to take bread and make you give her.
No.
Hey, not
No.
My brother, I shop bread. Shop. Oh yeah, the shop. Now you dey talk. No waste my bread though.
Use this one.
Step down.
Not the wicked like that.
Bread and hot.
Now so then feed you. Make it your bread and hot.
Maybe this question will the answer. It will come down. It will stop to the answer.
I better light me one cigar for them. I they see from.
Over and out. Over and out.
You want coke? Come up your mouth. Drink.
So they call Coke. This is a Coke. But somebody give you Mugu. Who get one to buy you Coke? Zobo.
Rich one.
Call me Muna. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, oh. Anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name. Cause I know they look good your face, oh. Now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day. Trouble day, oh, trouble day. You see for this anger, now we be the area. Waiting person, no, night pass. One time, clear for road.
Keep searching. Search everywhere. My son Oscar must be found. I don't care what it takes. Bring Oscar back to me.
One time, Kasala go boss. Anything you see, you go collect. For this ghetto, we know they fear face. So, call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face. So, anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry, now your name.
Mona, name your price. Why don't you just name your price? Let me go home. Just name it. Any figure.
Aboki. Aboki. So for your mind now, this your bololo as today. What you gather for inside be saying that money make me kidnap you. As a day now, when they look me, I not be like who they were. Now get on champagne and they drink so. Now you they ask me, make I name my price, guy. Make I yarn you. The reason why me carry you come here, money not even they involved. I want me your papa here. No, make it they feel waiting at they feel. You see this ghetto where they my rule be say, nah, blood before money.
Mona, do you want to hurt me?
Aww.
Do you need my father's blood?
Yeah, Jebo. Anyways, I don't need your papa blood. I don't even need your blood. I want make your papa feel waiting at the feel. I want make you understand the kind of pain wey enter me. I want make you feel that kind of pain too. I just want make your papa they get every info. So you go do yourself good. Anything will happen here, you go tell her. I don't need the money now. Wetin I want use the money do. If I need the money, I go rob up everything when he gets. I don't need to kidnap you. You hear me?
Then don't make it worse. Just let me go. I'll tell him anything.
No, you must tell her before.
You will listen to me.
Normally, like this, as me and you they talk, you must tell her. You go. Wait, you shut up there. Shut up.
Let me go and tell him.
You go tell him at the right time. For now, you see the pain when I dey feel as he tell leave us. I want make you feel that pain. Calm down. I bet more give my water make you drink. Now steal my blood you be. My water need. You go drink ogogoro.
We'll give you water.
My water make you drink.
Just give us like 6 hours.
You don't day na so cigar you dey smoke from morning to night. Not be say you dey chop better for you go smoke igbo, you go chop chin chin. They smoke cigar, you want finish your lungs and your liver. Okay now.
It's almost 24 hours. Yet my son is still missing. DPO, what is happening? Has anybody called for ransom or anything?
Well, I won't lie to you, Chief. My men have combed the entire city. We've gone as far as setting up roadblocks, even deep into the ghetto itself. There hadn't been any news as to the whereabouts of your son, Oscar.
Chief, I advise you don't allow anger to blindfold you. And well, nevertheless, you have to prepare yourself. You have to get ready because whoever that took your son wants something from you.
What do you mean by that?
You should be ready for something bigger. Not just a ransom, but something that is bigger than keeping your son.
I will pay anything just to have my son back with me.
You see, Chief, we are still doing our best here.
Your best is not good enough. You need to put in more effort.
It's all right then.
Yes, like you said, you combed. You got to comb more. Comb the more. Comb everywhere. You must find him all.
It's a must.
And so I just did my own JJ. I did the waka forget to day my own, they do my own thing. One woman corner me. They tell me say I did they zuzu. Say I just did they waste my life forget to say my papa dey for city. Say me I suppose they city they enjoy myself. Normally my mama hear me say my papa don't buy you. Tell me say I not get papa again. I waiting dey my head. until that woman tell me say I get papa for city. As I dey like this. You dey wine my kuntus? You dey wine? So market when I send my boys, you go corner the market. You don't know me. You never hear of Muna Ganja before. You know that me the run street here. Eh? Wait, oh yeah. Where's the bag? Give me. Say, give me. Shark, make I warn you. Today na the last day where you go hear say market belong to Muna. You go there, go carry am. I go just leave you today because my goat born pikin and he born better one. Now the only reason why they free you today. Next time, guy, I go bleach you. See this your cap? Na souvenir.
Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me, sorry na your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them.
Come. Make I clear. That's people where they this here. Nobody they feel they talk to you, Abi. Look my face, I know they fear you. Come, the whole youth now don't they craze because of this thing where you they say. Madam, this thing where they say they make guys they craze for the street. They hear me? Madam, pack your things and come on for here. Go sit, go meet your papa for city. Go meet your papa for city before you go there late for you. They hear me? No, they look like that. I know they fear your face. You hear? I know they fear your face.
You say waiting.
Go and ask your mother for house.
Madam! I like you, Shao. I dey craze where I go sleep for uncompleted building. Now because say you be my blood, if not normal as a day, now I get one palace when I dey sleep. But I come, I follow you sleep here because say you be my blood. For me, na blood before money. This matter why they hear you, na the thing wey carry me go back to my mama kiosk, I go meet am. Ask her, say why you go tell me say my papa don't buy when he's still there alive. That ain't not funny. My brother, ain't not funny. Male. See, as I dey here, so I don't get joy. As I dey here, so I feel keep person, Nana. Now, one simple question I want to ask you. Where my papa?
Now, which kind of question be that?
Me tell you, say your papa don't buy. Male. See, na hold him at beg you. As I dey here, I dey vex. As you see me, so I don't get one single joy. Male, now the last time I go ask you this question. Where my papa? I don't tell you, say come on, mind for that. Your papa don't buy. Say don't buy. I go buy you here now if you don't tell me where my papa dey. See, as I dey here, so I feel run enter you. No. Male, I dey ask you for the last time. Where my papa? Your papa don't buy. I didn't want to break your head. God. Hey! God. Male. For the fact say you be my mama, and not the one person past 3 times, I go give you the last chance. Male, if you don't tell me where my papa dey now, I swear I go break your head. And I dey tell you say your papa don't buy. Male, I go break your head.
You will break my head.
I still go break your head.
That's what you want, huh? 1-on-1 with that again.
What?
We just
you dey crazy. Your mama. You don't look like this, Male. If you don't tell me where my papa dey now, you see this spot where you were, I go strangle you.
You know the shame. People can't see you, they hold your mama like this.
I'm shame.
No worry, now me born you.
Both don't they born foul. Me born. You be my pikin. I will tell you everything you know.
I me born you. I be got another mama somewhere. Relax. I me born you. I had the ginger and I me give you. We just sit together. Relax. My picky. You know verse for your mama. Something I make me. They tell you say your papa don't die. Your papa na big fool. And they tell you the truth, my daughter. Big fool. I marry your papa. Nothing there. We suffer work together. Money come. Don't cry, my picky. I born you finish. And your papa eye open. It's here. Come go marry second wife. Ah! The woman show me pepper. The woman go do juju. But your papa hate us. No be smart I pass through for your papa. I know your papa name na Chief Johnson. He dey city dey enjoy. He get money. Now I carry you cousin. Make I dey follow take care of my pikin. Now make I dey tell you say your papa don't die. Your papa no get sense. Na big fool. You see the reason why I tell you say your papa don't die?
Wait, Male. Make I understand what you did. You mean say I still get papa?
You get papa, oh, my pikin. You get papa. Oh. Chief Johnson na your papa name. Oh, in the city. Oh. City.
You marry second wife.
Marry her, that's how I see her.
Can't leave us for here, hate us like this.
That's so. Let me tell you, your papa na big fool, he don't get sense. It's so funny.
Mary, I dey go city.
You go.
I dey go find that man.
You go.
I want see that man, make him look me for eye, make him tell me what to make her abandon me for this village.
I support you, my daughter. You go. My head go carry you reach that city. You go do what you want to do. Them successfully come back. But be careful. I don't want anything to happen to you. No, I get to. I get to. There go. Because of the Lord will support you. Chief Johnson, use my eyes, see pepper. I suffer. I won't pass my age. You get one picture where I hide for you when I dare young. See as I be, like bag of rice. I suffer. I go people farm. Go there walk. See as I dry. I boga fish. Now suffer with Johnson suffer me. Now look at the thing you say don't buy. Good for nothing, man. I'm fat as you. I dey enjoy before.
Male, don't do.
God, Chief Johnson don't go better for you.
He don't do, Male.
I don't hear my picky. No verse for your mama. No verse for your mama.
Muna go city. I take myself, find my papa address. I reach there, me, full Muna, I carry myself, my big breast and my big yash. I reach there. My papa tell me, say, make I go back, go meet my Male. The only thing when I want, I just to dey happy. Me, all of us dey together as family. You brother, me, sister, papa dey. But my papa turned me back, say, make I go meet my Male. Guy, that thing pay me. See, I say he pay me enter blood. Don't be joke.
I'm sorry, Mona. I honestly didn't know anything about this story. I wasn't told. I can't imagine what you went through even as a child. You're a strong lady. I'll tell my father about it.
You're supposed to tell her, my brother. Anyways, now when I don't tell you everything will happen, don't make I lose your rope, make you go ass.
What?
You want sleep? I go bring bed for her, make it lie down. You dey craze. Yeah. Carry yourself, make you come on here. Stand up now.
But they teach you everything.
I see, make I warn you. Stand there. Now when you don't know my code, you don't know where I dey. If you like, you go carry a kelebe con here. Guy, if you try and say you go carry a kelebe, maybe you can't show them this place. Guy, I go silence you. I go silence your papa, silence your children where you go born for future. Silence on a village ancestor, silence on a village native doctor. Everybody, I go silence them. You dey hear me?
Call the police.
Oh yeah, delete. Excavate now. Oga, take off now. See waste.
ask question. You brush? I brush.
Who be that? Are you put this gate for her? Oga! 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 Okay.
Why are you always clowning? Go and open the gate. Someone is out there knocking on the gate.
You know, say they take order. Now last order I don't observe.
Go and open the gate.
If you give what I do,
go and open the gate.
I come find day.
Easy, am. Oscar, my son.
I'm okay, Father.
Are you sure?
Father, I'm fine.
We have been looking for you everywhere. Huh? I almost ran mad if something had happened to you.
I'm okay, Father.
Open the gate!
Good day, Chief.
Good day.
I'm happy Oscar is back alive. Whoever these criminals are, did they touch your family? That's maximum provocation, Chief.
Nobody touched me, nobody hurt me. I'm okay.
So what exactly do they want?
Maybe. Just maybe they don't need your money. Maybe something deeper.
Oscar, what are you talking about? You sound like you're speaking in tongue. What did they say to you? Did they threaten you? Did you see their faces?
I saw enough, Father. I need rest.
Chief, every minute wasted right here is very dangerous. All I want you to do right now is just give me the orders, and I'm going to apportion my boys, position them, they go straight to the ghetto and get these criminals.
No, Father. There won't be need for that. If you send the police, you will make the whole situation worse.
What?
Yes. You see these people, they make their rules. They don't fear your guns. They don't need your money either. Father, I'm here now. Just close the case, please.
So you want this case closed?
I'm here now. Father, please.
Chief, do you really want this case closed right now?
And why are you putting me on the spot? Huh?
Father, just close the case. I need to rest.
Chief, we cannot afford to close this case. All I want you to do is just give me your orders and let me go get my boys straight to the ghetto and then we'll bring them to book.
There's something sinister about his behavior.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Oscar is hiding something from us.
That is it, Chief.
Do whatever you have to do.
All right, Chief.
Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get to.
What is the matter with you? I'm sure you know them. Why don't you tell me? Huh? You know your father and you know I can handle anything. Speak up.
Mona was responsible for my adoption, Father.
What? How dare she?
Yes, Father. Father, you need to call her. Yes, you need to call her and get all these things settled once and for all. Get it sorted out, Father. I know who you are. That girl in question is not bad. She values this family. She wants to be part of this family. You see all these things she's doing? She's just craving for your attention. That's what she wants. She needs a home. Her growing up was funny. She suffered, Father, according to her. She went through a whole lot. Father, please. Please call her, Father. But let me ask you, Father, why didn't you care for her? Oh, it's okay, Father, I understand. I don't want you to feel like I'm questioning you. And I don't want to blame you at all. But I just want you to put an end to all of these things. Call her, bring her home. She's a part of us. She's your blood, Father. I'll be in my room, Father.
You're going to do your homework, right? My princess. We are writing from A to Z. Okay, let's start from A. Oh yeah? Write it here. Write A. That's my daughter, right? Oh yeah, write B. You make sure this thing is not crossing the line, okay? Then write C. Don't worry, after this. Wonderful. After this, I'm going to give you Bobo. I write D. Oh yeah, write E. Wow. My money is not wasting. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh yeah. What's the next one you're going to write now? Calm down, calm down. Did you know? What are you going to write now? Confirm. Good. That's my baby girl. Clap for yourself first. Did you know that daddy loves you? Good.
You know why I didn't relate with them? Not because I hated my daughter or her mother.
Mona has grown. She's no longer a child. Now she can take her decision. I suggest you call her. Bring her close and dialogue with her.
But I am not comfortable with her upbringing. Can't you see the way she behaves?
Chief, she was just doing all those things to get your attention. She came to you and you pushed her away. Anyone in her shoes will react somewhere.
No, that's not true. If I had raised her, she wouldn't have become a thug.
Good day, Mr. Alfred. Father, I do not quite agree with you on that. She's not a thug. I was in her custody for hours. They never touched me. I was well fed, never starved. And as a matter of fact, at the end of the day, she never requested for any ransom. Father, you never raised her. So you owe her that responsibility at the moment. Bring her closer to you. Let her be with us. And probably pick up from where you think she needs to sit up. I'm here, Father. Please.
You see? You see what I said? You heard him. Ignoring her again might get things ugly. She is your daughter. This is your daughter. Bring her close. Make her feel that fatherly love. You can do that.
I no say you go call. Hey, I no say you go call me. Now what be that?
Na pale. See Anna.
Evidence choke.
Your pale, they call you.
Now they call me like this.
Waiting, you find.
But I go continue to dey call this number. Mama, myself, I no small.
Why they call you?
Worry yourself. Calm down. Make you call like 5 times first. Myself, I big o. No small.
They call you. Now we even give her your number.
Male, calm down. Leave her make you dey call. Leave her make you dey call the phone.
Waiting, they call you for now.
Male, you said don't they ask plenty questions. I say calm down.
Leave her. Now, I don't want anything to happen to you. Waiting, they find from you. I think that pursue how many years ago.
Huh? You still dey call.
Still they call. So.
I tell you.
May not kill your battery. Waiting, they call you for now. You can't hear what you want to.
Hello? Waiting play. Guy, open gate. They wind my nipple.
You say my papa do it.
I say open gate.
You say my papa do it.
I say your papa left Nyash where? The craze.
I can see your face. Oh!
Come on, open the gate. You the one. I said make you open gate.
You.
Who before?
I know you now. Wait, don't worry. Look, I tell you, open gate for you. Look, they open gate for you.
See who they carry food for gate. Feel like who they fall before.
Don't worry, make I go open gate for you.
I don't think the meeting will be holding today. Something just came up, an emergency. But I'll get back to you later. Yes.
Okay. Hey. Okay. What is it? Come on. Okay. That mad girl don't come gate again. She don't carry a problem come again. She never forget, but I don't open door.
Open the gate for her.
Okay. Sir.
Don't worry about the food. I'll eat later. Let's go and sort this out.
Wait, you want just enter like that?
You haven't entered before. You the craze.
Who down first? You think that your name? Who you be?
My name Namuna. Your guy say make I come see him.
My guy say make I open gate for you. But I know say that one, not trap. In just set trap for me, make you know where that go for. Make they sack me. See, make I tell you. No for my job. Okay. No, just mess yourself up.
Okay, I the craze. I the craze. Come on, you the mad. You the craze. You the mad. Eh? Now me you lock for you didn't whine me. See this is a local spaghetti. Eh? Because they put you for gate. You the craze. Now I want you not try am again. Come on, take this thing where you call cap. The craze.
Call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face. Anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the 001. If you don't know me,
see this one, no.
Cause I know they look.
I not blame you. Now your type they born through abortion. Because if they born you through normal delivery, you're not gonna behave like this.
I am the king of my jungle.
Imagine.
I know they look face.
Imagine. I don't blame you. Now my guy blame. If you say my guy give me gun, just assign me with gun. You go fit enter here anyhow. I just say make we just drop our amnesty. If not, you run. Imagine. Every day they do like this for you.
One time, one
Now
time,
go abort
we
you,
are
now
borrowed.
if you not abort you, you go to talk to me like that. I'm now one.
See, I know they like long story. Make it
I go buy
super story. For this anger with the smoke bully. I beg, no they check my story. Cause as you see me, so I know they funny.
First of all, Mona, I want to thank you for not hurting your brother the period you abducted him.
Abduct. This kind of big man, I did abduct. I'm not abduct and I just carry her go one corner. I'm not go tell her what you don't know now. I abduct you.
It's not like I hate you or your mother. You know, something happened that made me to keep quiet and distance myself from you all these years.
What's happen? Maybe be say you go marry another woman wey use juju for you. Before they bring eye to us, you don't base come up for us.
Is that what they told you?
Yeah.
That's what your mother told you?
Any story pass like that again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Your mother lied to you.
Mm-hmm.
Due to the nature of my business, I always travel. So on one occasion, I traveled, but the goods I went for didn't arrive. Instead of staying 5 days, I came back the very next day. Unfortunately, I didn't inform your mother.
What is going on here?
My husband.
What? Your husband?
Yes.
Jesus. Okay, I beg.
Honey.
Okay, I beg.
So
She don't tell you say she's married though.
God, the man is not what you think. Please.
Okay, please.
I'm sorry, it's not what you think. Please, forgive me.
Jerry, so you are married. Hey! I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Jesus.
What am I going to do now?
So you are married?
My husband is married. Please leave. What am I going to do right now? My husband, I promise I won't do it again. I don't know what came over me. Please.
Woman, listen. Stop begging me. Because if you are begging, it means you want me dead. So you will continue enjoying with your lover. You know our tradition. I'm chasing you out of my heart because I value my life. If you want me to forgive you, you know the condition. You have to confess. You go naked in front of the whole women. Till then, leave.
Please, can I take my daughter? She's the only person that can console me right now. Please. It's my husband. Thank you.
Now listen. I am not giving you my daughter because you pleaded for it. I am doing that because of the nature of my job. Now listen. Anytime my daughter wants to see me, make sure you bring her to me.
I will do that, my husband. Thank you.
You can leave.
That was how we got separated. I asked her to go and confess so that she can come back, but she didn't. That confession has repercussions. No one who did it remained sane. So that made me to distance myself from your mother. Because if I don't, the tradition might kill me. At this point, let me just be more explicit and explain it to you. According to the tradition where I came from, a married woman is not supposed to cheat on her husband or sleep outside her home with another man. And if she does, she has to go and confess naked before other married women at the market square. So it's not like I have anything against you, but against the sin that your mother committed, against our tradition. But now that you're here, you are my daughter, and you know I love you so much. I will do anything for you. At least whatever I do for you, you can extend to your mother.
You're welcome.
Male, wetin I do you? Male, no, I just want to know wetin I do you. No, I just want to know whether I don't offend you before. Wetin I do you?
Don't do me anything, my baby.
Male, wetin go make you lie for me?
Why you dey cry? I no lie for you.
I don't dey disgrace myself since. No insult where I never insult my papa because of wetin you tell me. I don't dey cause nuisance everywhere. I get papa, you carry and come out for where I dey. That one not reach you. You still got that mind lie for me, say na the man. Now I do you bad, whereas now you shit for church. Male, now you shit for church, now you consider the lie for me. Male, what did I do you? No, let me back and quiet. Not try am more. Male, as you dead there, so not try am. Not think am again. I go shout. Male, Male, see as you did the night, you not gonna like what I go do you. You not gonna like what I go do, you not try am. How you go do this kind thing? You can't even gather my life for the my head. Male, you not gonna make heaven no. I didn't tell you not gonna see I put it down for you, Male. You not gonna make heaven. Not touch me. Not touch me. How you go do this kind thing?
I messed up. How am I going to tell my daughter that my husband caught me red-handed on his bed with another man? I must surely go to my grave with this secret.
No shame. How if now you go fit on that guarantee? I shame catch me. And I swear, say I don't go ever tell you. I beg my pikin. My nakedness, my pikin. I beg. Why you not tell me? Na shame, brother. Why you not tell me? I don't dare they insult the man. But why you not tell me? Na shame. I beg. Forgive your mama. I beg you. Na shame. Na shame.
I do. So, reason why I call you now be saying, on night day now, Muna don't call me. Say she and her papa that quarter wey she and her papa they get, they don't settle. Say like this now, she want me to give her a grand welcoming.
I don't understand. You see, like they don't settle. She don't.
I know. Which one be you know the English? Waiting at they talk, so not be you know be English at they speak. I be waiting.
Okay.
A
good thing, a normal thing.
So she called and say make we arrange some people, make them do grand welcoming for her.
I don't understand, like which kind of welcoming now? Be specific. They eat time.
Which one
like,
be specific?
You know, say you get different welcoming. You get the one with the boss blue, all this. And you get the one with the cut cake. You understand? They say hooray. You understand?
Yeah, calm down. On night day, she say nah, all those our boys, now all those Ogini teens, now all those. What did they worry you?
Calm down. Now that one you take. Now you talk small.
Now make you dey close my mouth.
Person know yaram. That's in a contract. Na big contract. I don't go package jam. Make I call these people first. I dey come. Just you dey here. Don't worry. Make I now just if I go there now.
Say you dey base body so don't go fuck up.
Don't calm down. I don't get what they like. So long as say something wey die inside.
No wahala.
Chillax, I dey come.
I dey here dey wait you. When I fast so I reach 10 sef, no problem. Because everywhere soft for that side. Muna.
for say more the shop because as I dey here, better hunger now me at the age. But I just want to tell you, sir, I don't change. I don't change for good. As I did like this now, John the Baptist don't baptize me. I don't change.
That is awesome to know. Meanwhile, you're not going to be staying in this country. I have spoken to Oscar's mother, who stays in America. You'll be going to join her to further studies or maybe do business, whichever one that you want to do. Because I want you to change environment.
You may hear? I wanna go now. Yo, man. Hey. Thank you, Pale. Thank you.
And then moving forward, your mother will now have to live a good life because she will benefit from whatever I give to you.
Hey.
Since she cannot get it directly from me.
Hey.
You know, according to our tradition, it's a taboo for me to eat from her or for her to get anything directly from me.
Hey.
Until she does the natural stuff that needs to be done in the village.
Hey. It's my papa na better man.
Because of her antecedent.
No wahala. The English enter. No wonder God give you white biabia. This man a better man. Since I just did it so much. No wahala. Make we chop. They get himself.
I'm gonna give you.
Thank you, pa. Then we chop.
This ain't only use Abina.
Pale.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. I know they sell it again.
No, never.
Muna they chop salad. That's what you enjoy for this house. Thank you, Pale.
If you don't know me, sorry na your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the problem, they solve them. Wahala day, trouble day. You see for this side, will be the area. One time, clear for road. See, I know they like long story. Make you know they sound like super story. For this anger with the smoke dolly. I beg, no they check my story. Cause as you see me, so I know they funny. If you try me, your name not sorry. One time, cause I go boss. Anything you see, you go collect. For this ghetto, we know they fear face, so call me Mona. I am the king of my jungle. I know they look face, so anything I want, I go get to. For this kaba, now me be the one. If you don't know me, sorry na your name. Cause I know they look good your face, so now we they run the town. Now we they run the city. We they create the